It's the most anticipated clash as Sourav Ganguly, who's now a Warrior, takes on his former team Kolkata Knight Riders. Here's what KKR's owner Shah Rukh Khan feels about the high-octane clash.
I don't think so. I think there is no one player who plays against you except when it's Chris Gayle. We don't play against one person. You know, हमारी जब टीम मीटिंग भी होती है तो जब डिस्कशन होता है उसमें कोई ये नहीं बोलता कि इसको करना है, इसको ऐसा करना है. The whole thing is that as a team we should play well, and I think that's what the spirit of sports is. So I'm not tense. I'm worried. I get disturbed sometimes कि यार कल जीत जाए. जब बारिश हो गई थी बैंगलोर में तो मुझे बहुत दुख हो रहा था कि अब हम खेल नहीं सकेंगे पूरी तरह से. But if we get a full chance to play a full game, I think our team will do very, very well, and inshallah we'll be in the semi-finals. But against one person, for one person, towards one person, not towards one person has never been the way I play a game.
Now, SRK's diplomatic answer will not take away the attention from the humdinger that's scheduled later today at the D.Y. Patil Stadium, as the nation is eagerly awaiting Pune versus KKR clash. But the man who's most eager is Sourav Ganguly.
Here we go, and he's not bad either. This has gone all the way.
It's a grudge match for Sourav Ganguly, possibly his last chance to prove a point to this man.
हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कल हम जीतें, and inshallah the whole team is very geared up for it and we will win. We don't play against one person, so I'm not tense. I'm worried. I get disturbed sometimes कि यार कल जीत जाए.
With the score to settle, the snub not forgotten and certainly not forgiven.
And as a matter of fact, some of the players we left out have come back to haunt us.
Ganguly's IPL 4 debut may not have caused much of flutter, but the prospect of him taking on his former boss has everyone rubbing their hands in anticipation. The out of contention Pune Warriors will be out to spoil the Kolkata Knight Riders' chances of making it to the semi-finals. And rest assured, it'll be the Prince of Kolkata leading the charge. Sports Bureau Times Now.
There was a spring in his stride yesterday when Sourav Ganguly took field for his net session with the Warriors. He seemed quite determined to prove a point to his team and the nation. Now here's a look at his training session before the high-octane clash.
All eyes were on this man as he took field as a Warrior, training hard and putting in those extra hours, gearing up for the big match. Sourav Ganguly working on fielding drills and gearing up to face the heat. Then came the moment. As he padded up, getting ready to face the white cherry, as they call it. Dada's extra 2 hours put in the nets proved how badly he wants to face his former team. Just towards the end of Pune's practice session, walked in the Knight Riders from Kolkata. In the KKR camp was seen skipper Gambhir in an intense discussion with bowling coach Wasim Akram. The nation gears up for this battle, as Kolkata's favourite son will be up against SRK's Knights. Sports Bureau, Times Now.